Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your Bitmoji's facial expression on Snapchat. So first of all, you're going to want to go into the Snapchat app, and then you're going to want to click on the top left hand corner where your Bitmoji is, right there. And then once you get to this page right here, you just want to scroll down just a little bit until you see the Bitmoji like little menu there. You got change my outfit, edit your Bitmoji, select selfie, and enable Bitmoji keyboard. You're going to want to click select selfie, and the reason why that is because this selfie bit is basically going to be where you change your facial expressions. It's not like a facial expressions page. It's like this selfie is going to be your facial expression. As you can see there, for all these different type of options, you've got like excited faces, crying faces, etc. All these different expressions here that's going to like change the expression to all like your selfie. So for instance, I'm going to change it the top right hand corner one just by clicking on it, and then you're going to see the green circle around it with a tick. And then once you've got whichever one you wanted, you want to click done. And then once you've clicked done, then you can go to the top of the page, and then you see a new little QR code that your like Bitmoji like has changed its facial expression right there. Unfortunately though, when you like go into like the snap maps, etc. like that, the actual facial expression of your Bitmoji there won't like change like all the time, because it kind of depends on like the weather, what time of day it is, etc. That's what like makes your facial expression change within the snap maps. But with the selfie, this is how you change the facial expression right here. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on these other how-to videos for Bitmojis and other Snapchat and etc. like that on screen. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.